Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So here is the Kroger Weekly ad preview for this upcoming sale. But there are a couple deals here and there, and as always, I will come back on Wednesday and try to put some stuff together, like I always do. Hopefully we can find something. Walmart's definitely more where it's at, and there's not a ton of stuff there, but at least it's better than this. So, yeah, I'm just going to go down the line and tell you stuff. So first up, check out my other Kroger couponing videos if you haven't already. Those are always pretty good. Check those out. There's a few deals in there. Some good stuff for you to grab. And a lot of those deals will carry on over into next week. So, yeah. We have the Kroger ham, 87 cents a pound. The beef ribeye roast, $6.99 a pound. 2 for $4 for blueberries. And then there's buy one, get one free Kroger shrimp. $4.88 for these Kroger cuties or mandarins or whatever. 4 for $12 for Coke, 7-Up, Pepsi, or Dasani sparkling water. 2 for $3 for the Philadelphia cream cheese or Pillsbury items. The Philadelphia did have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on 2. Buy one, get one free Del Monte vegetables. There was a 40 cents off a 4 coupon in like the 11 for Smart Source, so that could be a great deal for you. 2 for $5 for the Kroger butter or Simply Juice. $5.99 for Starbucks coffee. $4.99 for Marie Callender's fruit or cream pie or Edwards pie, and when you buy it, you get a free ice cream. Beer, and then $1.77 for Kroger cheese or the Nabisco Ritz, and then $1.77 when you buy 2 of the Lay's family size potato chips, kettle chips, Boom Chicka Pop, or Garden of Eden. It's literally the same sale. You know what? I don't even think there's not even a free Friday. That's been weeks. That's been months since we haven't had a free Friday, but there's literally not even a free Friday unless it's just unadvertised. Here's the same old liquor deals. I know this is very informal, but there's just nothing for me to tell you about. You know, there's not that much in here. That Perla pasta sauce would be free. There's $1 off digital, or that coupon came in the 12.9 Retail Me Not. There's also a $1 savings star, so it would make that pasta sauce free. Buy one, get one free on some Keebler cookies. $5.99 for some Chinette. 2 for $5 for Jif or Nestle Toll House. There was an Ibotta for the Nestle Toll House. Here's just some random kitchen deals. Here's this 5X digital. I've talked about it already. There's your coupons will reset, so if you want to go back and get something, they will reset. And if you're a newbie at my channel, you're probably thinking this is awful. I usually have like full-on matchups for Kroger. I don't understand. There's just like nothing going on. But I do have videos up about all the current 5X digitals, and those will just carry right on over. On the General Mills, there's $1 off a 2 manufactured digital coupon. It should stack with this $1 off 1 store digital, and you get a pretty good deal. There's a savings star. Actually, let me know if it works for you. Have any of you done that deal using the manufactured digital with the store digital this time, like on the cereal? If it worked for you, please let me know, because I actually had a friend who tried stacking a store digital and a manufacturer digital, and only the store one came off. So I don't know if Kroger like made a change in their system or what. Alright, so here's a random Kroger flyer. Here is the 4-day sale. Some shrimp. That's decent for the little bites. Now 50% off assorted Barbies and accessories or the Hot Wheel Energy Tracks. That's a good one. $2.99 for those holiday throws. They're cheaper at Walmart, so don't do that. 99 cents for the Mars or Wrigley Field candy canes. That's a good one. And then $5 for these Tuscany candles. That's alright. I don't know if that's the best. I know Michael's sometimes runs them on sale on Joann's. That would go in free Russell Stovers. 40% off of holiday home gift wrap. Alrighty. There's just... I expected some more stuff. This might not be horrible for you. this Buy 4 Save 4 event. I've talked all about it already. Oh, up here. We did get coupons for these in the 12.4 Retail Me Not, or 12.9, one of those. And I believe we have some Ibotta rebates. We did. They might be gone now. I just can't believe we don't even have a free Friday. They always give us that. 47 cents a pound for the turkey. That's not horrible. This is the only deal I saw that I actually will do, probably, is the Simple Truth Boneless Chicken Breast. Buy one, get one free if you're trying to look. I don't know if this is 100% organic. It's Simple Truth. But it's better than some of the other meats, so I will probably go ahead and grab that. Buy one, get one free is phenomenal. It's just an automatic half price. And there was a digital coupon for $1.50 off it, too. That's a good produce deal. 2 for 99 cents on green peppers or cucumbers. So, yeah, that is it for Kroger. Oh, wait, sorry. That's a good one for the apples, too. $2.99 for a 3-pound of Gala, Fuji, or a Delicious. If you have an Aldi, get your sweet potatoes there because they're literally half the price. So, yeah, that's Kroger this week. It's pretty sad, but I did want to give you all the heads up like I always do. So, be sure to come back tomorrow. I am going to do CVS and Rite Aid. Hopefully I get to both stores tomorrow. There are lots and lots of deals. At CVS especially. Rite Aid's got some decent money makers, so hopefully I make it to both of those stores and I'll have videos up, and potentially I might go to Walmart as well, but we'll find that out tomorrow. So, yeah, that's all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.